Hey, what's up, guys? This is Carolyn coming to you from my kitchen. Just wanted to let you guys know what I put in my protein shake as a request from one of my favorite fans, my sister-in-law. So starting off with the base of my shake, we have my tea. It's either organic green tea or the new tea that I got, which was in the shake of the previous video, is the jasmine tea. Right here we have the second liquid that I add to my shake, being the almond milk. Out of all the milks, this is my favorite. Then we have, of course, always and forever, my pure vanilla extract, one of my favorite things to add to my shake. Next, we're going to talk about my actual protein. I add 2 scoops of this protein. It's 20 grams each scoop, which I love. Usually you need to use 2 scoops to just get those 20 grams, but me using 2 scoops, I get 40 grams of protein. This is what I use because it has greens. Right here we have the peanut butter, not so peanut butter, it's the peanut butter powder that has 8 grams of protein also, which adds to my protein. This is the Just Hemp that I add to my protein. It has 11 grams of fiber and 11 grams of protein. Next on the list of things that we need for my shake is dates, organic of course. This is a blend of chia seeds, flax seeds, and hemp that I absolutely love with coconut in it. And last but not least, we have my adaptogenic powder with a lot of mushrooms that it's completely green and I absolutely love. Well, guys, that sums up the ingredients for my shake. Make sure you watch my last video. I love you guys. Bye. Mwah.